Hi everybody. I wanted to give you guys a brief overview of a prototype that I'm building for class for the FSE 100. And this is the pinout for the motor driver board L298N that I'm using for my prototype that I'm building. So here it shows these are the two different outputs that you can use. This is output B, output A. Here it gives the dimensions, 43 millimeters by 43 millimeters. Um, this is where you would put your ground inputs. This is the 5-volt power input that's coming from I'm using an elegoo Uno. You may also have an Arduino Uno. This is how you power the motor driver. I just have a 9-volt battery attached to it. And so these are all the logic inputs to send signals to your outputs. And then these will be connected to your Uno board. These here are enables so that you can adjust the speed instead of just having an output high or low. You'll be able to have different speeds for the outputs that will give variable motion to tires or whatever you're running with those output signals. So I'll show you what the prototype looks like so far. So I have here is the elegoo board, and then from here it's the 5 volts that's going into the 5 volt power. And so here's the ground cord from the elegoo going into the motor board. Here I have my power supply, which is just the 9-volt battery that goes into here. And then so on the outputs, I have my DC motors connected to the driver board. And so it's getting its signal from the elegoo board that I have set into pinouts 4 through 7 that go into the motor board. And so let's turn it on and see what happens. So I don't have any wheels hooked up to it yet, but you can see how the motors are spinning, and so it's working. That's a good thing. So periodically I'll give you guys more updates on how I've progressed on my prototype. All the best to you.